Hello everyone, welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. This is the 16th video, or we can categorically say that this is the last video in the playlist series of Jurisprudence MCQ. And I also want to give a little information over here that if you want to watch other videos also, please subscribe this channel. And for Jurisprudence MCQ, find playlist in the description section. So now let's get started. From question number 376, the most important instrument of legal reform is option A, legislation, option B, custom, option C, precedent, and option D, writing of legal experts. Here correct answer is option A, that is legislation. Question number 377. In the statement, every right involves a relationship between two or more X persons, and only then they can be bound by duties or be the holders of legal rights. X stand for option A, insane, option B, sane, option C, human, and option D, legal. Correct answer here is option D, that is legal. Every right involves a relationship between two or more legal persons, and only then they can be bound by duties or be the holders of legal rights. X stands here for legal. Question number 378. A has money in his pocket. This right is a right in rem, right in personam, right both in rem and in personam, neither right in rem nor in personam. Here correct answer is option A, that is right in rem. Question number 379. What is true? Option A, judicial precedent is an important source of law. Option B, precedents may be the authoritative or persuasive. Option C, authoritative precedent is one which has a binding force and the judge must follow it. And option D, all of the above. Here correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. All the options are correct. Question number 380. In common parlance, right is option A, the standard of permitted action within a certain sphere. Option B, the minimum permitted behavior. Option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. Here correct answer is option A. In common parlance, the right is the standard of permitted action within a certain sphere. Question number 381. Which of the following acts protect the possessions concepts? Option A, Criminal Procedure Code 1973, Specific Relief Act 1963, both A and B, and none of the above. Here correct answer is option C. Which of the following acts protect the possession concepts? So possession concepts are only covered in the Specific Relief Act 1963. So option B will be the here correct answer. Question number 382. Real and personal rights are also called option A, proprietary and personal rights, B, positive and negative rights, right in rem and right in personam, right in proporia, and rights in re alienea. Here correct answer is option C, that is right in rem and right in personam are the real and personal rights, are also called as right in rem and right in personam. Question number 383. Primary and sanctioning rights are called option A, primary and accessory rights, antecedents and remedial right, vested and contingent right, none of the above. Here correct answer is option B, that is antecedent and remedial right. Question number 384. The theory of juror relationship was propounded by option A, John Rawls, option B, Ronald Dworkin, option C, Robert Nozick, option C, Hoffeld. Here correct answer is option D, that is Hoffeld. Question number 385. What is called as jus ad rem? Option A, a right vested in some person. Option B, right which originated from another right. Option C, right vested in some other person. And option D, none of the above. Correct answer here is option B, that is right which originated from another right. Question number 386. Right is the authority to compel. Who said these? Buckland. Option C, Blackstone. Option C, Kant. And option C, T.H. Green. Correct answer here is option C, that is Kant. Question number 387. Who defined right as an inherent attribute to human will? Option A, Ahering. Option B, Holland. Option C, Peyton. Option C, Douglas Holmes. Here correct answer is option C, that is Douglas Holmes. Question number 388. Option A, Salmond has preferred to use in place of the term right. Option A, liberty. Option B, claim. Option C, power. And option D, duty. Correct answer is option B, that is claim. Question number 389. An example of an imperfect right. Option A, right to reputation, time barred debt. Option C, not to commit nuisance. And option D, none of the above. Correct answer here is option B, that is time barred debt, an example of an imperfect right. Question number 390. An idol of Lord Krishna in a temple is a natural person, a legal person, not a person in the eye of law because only the priest of the temple will be a person. And option D, not a person because no personality can become conferred on God. Here correct answer is option B, that is a legal person. An idol of Lord Krishna in a temple is a legal person. Question number 391. The meaning of corporation soul is a group of persons, a single owner of an incorporated company, an incorporated series of successive persons, none of the above. Here correct answer is option C, that is an incorporated series of successive persons. Question number 392. Will theory of legal right has been supported by Hegel, Hume, Kant, all of the above? Correct answer here is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 393. The main proponent of interest theory is option A, Hegel, option B, Hume, option C, 𝐼hering, and option D, Kant. Here correct answer is option C, that is 𝐼hering. The main proponent of interest theory is 𝐼hering. Question number 394. The main exponent of realist theory of corporate personality is Hofeld, Girk, Burke, and Salmon. Here correct answer is option B, that is Girk. Question number 395. The word person is of Latin origin, Greek origin, Roman origin, English origin. Correct answer here is option A, that is Latin origin. Question number 396. Fiction theory is related to which of the following concepts? Option A, ownership, option B, liability, option C, possession, and option D, legal personality. Correct answer here is option D, that is legal personality. Question number 397. The birth and death of the legal persons are determined by option A, nature, option B, custom, option C, law, and option D, precedent. Correct answer is option C, that is law. An animal is a option A, natural person, option B, legal person, option C, either legal or natural, and option D, not a person. Correct answer here is option D, that is not a person. Question number 399. Which of the following is a legal personality? Option A, Shivalingam, option B, Bible, option C, Guru Granth Sahib, and option D, all of the above. Correct answer here is option D, that is all of the above. All the given options have the legal personality. Question number 400. Animus domini is an essential of possession according to option A, Savigny, option B, Salmon, option C, Pollock, option D, 𝐼hering. Correct answer is option A, that is Savigny. Question number 401. If X has borrowed a book from Y, option A, Y is in immediate possession of the book, option B, Y is not in the immediate possession of the book, option C, X is in the immediate possession of the book, and D, Y is in the corporal possession of the book. Here correct answer is option A, that is Y is in the immediate possession of the book. Question number 402. Which of the following is an accessory right? Option A, right to bodily security, option C, right to reputation, option C, easement, and option D, ownership. Correct answer here is option C, that is easement. Which of the following is an accessory right? Easement is an accessory right. Question number 403. Who has criticized the fiction theory? Option A, Salmon, option B, Pollock, option C, Kelson, and option D, Holland. Here correct answer is option B, that is Pollock. Pollock has criticized the fiction theory. Question number 404. Ownership of goodwill of a business is corporeal ownership, limited ownership, beneficial ownership, incorporeal ownership. Here correct answer is option D, that is incorporeal ownership. So here we will wind up the MCQ series of jurisprudence. So if you want to watch other series also like international organization, please subscribe to this channel, please like this video, and thank you so much for supporting us.